How we doing, guys? So today I'm going to show you a little bit about how we cold call. It's really simple. It may seem like it's difficult or be diminishing, but it's not. You just have to get over the little jitters that you have, and we'll show you exactly what that looks like when you get it down. All I'm going off of is a simple application. I just have their phone number, their name, and their business. So we're going to call Mr. Weberg, that's this man's name. Give him a dial. And let's see.
This is Lynn Weberg. I'm sorry I missed your call. Please leave your name.
He didn't answer, so I'll simply give him a text. Let him know, hey, Mr. Weberg, my name is Mike. I'm the funding manager trying to price out an option and build a program for your company. Let me know when we can chat about it. On to the next. So what do? Same thing. We go over here. We go take a look at Mr. Benton, and we'll give him a call and see how he's doing.
Please leave your message for
10 people may not answer, but that 11th one could get a deal. It all depends on your consistency, who you get on the phone, and what you're able to do for them. So now we're going to try Mr. Negrillo.
Your call has been forwarded.
Let's call Miss Duck, Amanda. Let's see if the quack can chat. Everyone's busy today.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
That's all right. Not everyone is going to be busy at the same time. This one's not ringing. You never want to be such a prominent number popping up on their phone. It's more so about the timing. One of my biggest things is I look at where people are from and what kind of business they do. Someone owns a construction company and it opens at like 9 a.m. I'll call them at like 7, especially because the construction owners, if they're construction management, they have to get all their files in a bunch before they get to the office, before they even think about going into the field. They have a bit of time, and it's all about catching them at the right time. Other people, like this dude I'll give a call to, he runs a baseball academy. So I assume that right now, on October 29th, he's not going to be too busy with baseball. Those kids are probably at games or at school, something like that, that he doesn't have to worry about right now. So it would probably be a good time to reach out to him. Let's see what Eric is doing.
This is Eric.
Hey, Eric, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. So my name is Mike. I'm reaching out because a little bit ago you had inquired about some financing for your Ohio Baseball Science Academy. I understand you had some open positions you were working with. Did you ever get anything figured out for your business on that end?
Yeah, we took care of all that. We
So
just paid them all off.
So
Yeah.
you're all paid off and good now?
Yep, absolutely.
And were you looking into anything further, like a traditional option, bank loans, or
No, we don't need any capital at this time. We're in really good shape, actually.
how's everything going? Do you have the arena all set up and everything? I know the World Series is going on right now, so are the kids still playing?
Yeah, it's kind of fun, actually. Yeah, no, everything's going great. We're in our peak season, and we're in really good shape.
Yeah, that's perfect. I'm glad to hear that you guys got everything figured out. I was just reaching out because I want to make sure that that happens for your business. Obviously, you can't be held at the neck and keep breathing well. So
Right.
I'm glad that you guys were able to figure that out. And if you ever want to explore like a 0% business credit card or a business line of credit, just so you have that available balance at your disposal, I'll be here. It will just take a few simple questions and we can get that to you usually in a day.
All right, well, I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Yeah, of course. Make sure to save my number and give me a call if you need anything.
Okay, take care.
All right, you as well. Have a good one.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
And it's as simple as that. Even if I didn't get him in now, he knows what I have to offer and the potential he can have with me. So now Eric knows. He gives me a call. I told him to save my number because if I'm not assertive with certain things like that, I'm not going to make an impact. Now we'll try again. We got a landscaping company. So let's see, they're in Utah. It's 12:30 now. Yeah, so he's probably just getting ready to get everything done. He might even be on a little break, so it could be a good time to call him. Let's see what Edwin is doing.
Your call has been forwarded.
On to the next.
Hello.
Hey, Laverne, how you doing today?
I'm well.
So the reason I'm calling is because I had received a little bit ago an application for Boom's Tri-Region. I know you guys probably already got something set up. I just wanted to see how that's going for you.
What are you talking about?
You do still own Boom's Tri-Region LLC, correct?
Yes, but what kind of application are you talking about?
A little bit ago, you had placed an application seeing what kind of business financing you could secure.
Yeah, I've already got something in place.
And how is that going for you?
It's going well so far.
Just well? Is there anything that you would look to improve on it if you were in the position to control that?
Well, not at this time. Basically, the funding that I received, I only took it to build some kind of credit history. So I want to just go ahead and pay that off. Once I get everything paid off with that, and my revenues increase here in the next couple of months, probably the first of the year, I'll be interested in entertaining something else. But right now, I'm just focusing on just to build a credit history.
Yeah, that's good. And has your credit been building up since then? Perfect. What's it looking like right now? Are we getting higher towards the 700s, 800s?
Yes, I'm getting on up there. I'm getting some things paid off, and and I'm establishing a relationship.
Yeah, that's lovely.
So that's where I am right now. So
Yeah, that's Yeah, that's wonderful. I definitely am glad to hear that you guys are working on the up. And as you stated, you guys would be interested in exploring something a little bit down the line. So just save my number and maybe we can get you qualified for our business lines of credit or a 0% business credit card, whichever you see as a better option, and we'll keep some available balance for the business to use at your disposal without worrying about, oh no, I have to pay what I didn't touch. And also, if you do start to have problems with the terms that you're on currently, you can give me a call about that. I do have multitudes of options and programs that can help open cash flow, or like I said, we just wait until you're ready for a line of credit or a business credit card.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
All right, and like I said, this is my personal number. Save it. Give me a text or a call anytime, even if it's just a question, okay?
All right, sounds good. Thanks so much.
No problem. I look forward to speaking with you. You have a great rest of your day, Ms. Carter.
You as well.
Thank you. Same thing. People are doing better. Just let them know that you are going to be here to help for the next step, because everybody struggles through the first step. Sometimes that's when they need to turn for help. Some people like me, I've always been a little hard-headed, so I won't ask for help until the second or third step. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with becoming self-sufficient, even if you have to fail and fail again before you win. Let's see what's going on with the next person. We got William.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice.
William is not available.
Hello.
Hey, Mr. McCarthy, how are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. So my name is Mike. I'm just reaching out because a few months ago, I believe around July, you had inquired for financing for Michael McCarthy Construction, Inc. I assume you got something set up. I just wanted to check in and see how that's going for you.
It's going good so far.
Good so far. So are there any problems you have at all?
What's that?
Do you have any problems with what you're working with?
No.
So you're happy with all the terms? You wouldn't change anything if it was in your hands directly?
Well, I always would.
And
but I was able to get a decent deal.
was it like an MCA or a term loan?
It was a term MC. It's $100,000 net 98.
paying back $2,400 a week for 52 weeks.
That is pretty good. Yeah, that's a really good term. And
Yeah.
have you used up all that money so far?
No.
That's even better.
No.
Most people, especially in construction, I know you guys have a lot of materials and stuff you have to buy before each job. So that's really good.
Yeah.
And
yeah,
is,
so I can't complain, man.
yeah, this has improved
If
your...
I could change things, of course I would change things. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I would get a better deal than that, but
Yeah,
I've
definitely.
been going through the process for a bit, so that was the best I was able to do.
Hey, I mean, that's still a really good offer. Has it been helping your credit at all?
We just started it, so it's supposed to build my business credit.
Do you have any business credit cards on there?
No.
Would you be interested in a 0% business credit card? They go up to $100,000 with no UCC filing or income documents, so you could just have it alongside.
I would love that. That's what I was trying to get the whole time.
And that's what I can have for you. I have an email for you. Is it still irishmike605@yahoo?
Yep.
All I would need you to do is I have a little bank questionnaire. It's the same as an application you would have filled out, except you don't have to attach bank statements or anything. You just fill that out. I give it to my bank rep, and we work on the best way to get you the most amount of money through those cards.
Love it.
I'll send you over that email, and it's, like I said, it's just a little bit of information.
Where's it coming from?
It's going to be coming from mpenta@lendmatecapital.com.
All right.
How soon do you think I could expect that back?
Today.
Today? All right, perfect. So then
Yep.
I'll send it right over once I receive it, and we'll get everything good to go. I'll just give you a text because I know you're busy. I would rather you see my text and call me when you're available than miss my call and play tag.
All right. Sounds good.
All right, then we'll get to work on this, and we'll speak soon.
All right. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. And that's all it takes is persistence. Consistency and persistency work hand in hand, but there's a key difference between them. Consistency can be annoying. Persistence is when you utilize your knowledge and your ambition for something like this. I'm not bothering all these different people. We just called, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 people. And I got one who actually wants to work with me right now, but that's all it takes, and that's what makes me happy. It could have been 130 people, and Mr. McCarthy would have been my one that makes me happy and makes me feel like I'm doing a good job today. So now we finished our cold calling. We're going to add him to the pipeline, work on the other people who are already in it, and then we'll restart the cold calls again. You guys have a good day, and tune in next time for Brokers Connection here at LendMate.